Hmm. You guys know those times that you spend just, you're like, well, fuck it. This is definitely one of those moments. Yeah. Oh well, let's see. What I get. If there's anything good, that is. Oh, we're not going to be. Probably some shit background I already got. Does anyone want to know what the fuck that is? Oh, it's lights. Okay, good. Worried about it being something else. That's bummer, I've already got that one. Yeah, I'm level 24. Woo. I got another, the same goat's, bugger. Just bugger. So. There's got 2 duplicates now I can just chuck on for sale, I guess. And I got a 3rd duplicate, I believe. Did I? I believe so. God damn it. Shit. I don't want those mysterious 7 ones. I wonder if they like trading cards in themselves. Another 5 slot level bonus. I don't know what the fuck that means. Oh, there's more of that one as well. Brilliant. Why none of these just a single level anymore? Hey, eunuch. Like, that one's not a single level either anymore. Oh. Oh, do you have Cosmonaut? Lol. Oh, good God, there's a lot of cards in Starbound. Come on, give me something good. Flashlight. Okay. Oh, well. Let's see what else I can do. I'll be back. I have no real idea why the hell I'm doing this, but I sold the duplicates really quickly. So let's get this last payday one. Let's see what I get. I got an A. Okay. That makes no sense whatsoever. Why would they have an A? Why? Oh well. I have no idea what I'm doing with my life right now. No idea at all. There's another A. I'll be right back. Okay. Let's finish up this payday badge. Or B1 Plus is finishing it off anyway. Oh, I see. You literally spell out payday. So I guess having 2 A's is... Still don't need 2 A's. Because it's emoji. So you can just redo it again. Okay. I probably won't have to finish that one off. I'll get that after I've done these then. I keep getting free. I wonder what the hell I use them for other than making a badge of their own. Treating it like you need 1 to 9 for. Well, that should be Counter-Strike done. A nice cheap badge to do. Ah, really? I got another one of them. Ah, well. And that badge is done. Shell Shock? I'm gonna guess you have 2 levels, don't you? Tank. Yep, you do. Oh, I'm gonna go get the last cards of the payday one, and I'll be right back. For the record, even this is right at the end of the video, I am taking the piss out of unboxing videos. Why? Because I hate them. They seem mostly pointless. You sit for 40 minutes people unboxing shit. Why? So I'm sort of parroting this shit, I guess. Once again, it's showing the luck of RNG anyway, so what does it fucking matter? Anyway, adios.